Okay, so here we have a program that presents the user with a menu, and I can choose my favorite season, 1 through 4. I am going to go with winter. And we have filled the console with snowmen. Okay, let's run that again and try another season. Let's do spring here. Okay, so you can see the icon changes for each season that is chosen. So we're making a decision in this program. And then using a loop, of course, we'll use a while loop to fill the console with the chosen emoji. So let's take a look at the code. So I've put all of the emojis. I looked up their Unicodes and put them into variables. These are string variables. And then I created a variable for the user choice, 1 through 4, and presented the user with a menu. Okay, that's just a long cout statement constructing that menu. So capturing the user's choice using cin, putting it in that user choice variable. They'll enter 1 through 4. Now, in the next video, I will do like some basic input validation using a loop, like if they were to enter the wrong thing, like 5 or 6 or something, 0, something that's not a valid choice. So we'll look at that in the next video. But for this video, let's just assume they enter the correct thing, 1 through 4. And then I've created a string variable. This will be the actual character that we end up printing, depending on the user's choice. Maybe it'll be the fall leaves, maybe it'll be the snowman. We have to make a decision. What are we really going to print? It depends on what they chose, what the user chose. So I'm using a switch here. You have to make a decision. Could I have just as easily done if, else, if, else, if? Yeah, of course I can. But I just thought I'd do a switch here because it's nice and clean and concise. I had mentioned before, somewhere along the line, that the switch works well with integral types, meaning integers, numbers that are stored as integers behind the scenes. That would certainly be integers like we have here, also characters. Those work well with the switch. So I chose the switch. And so we're evaluating user choice. What did the user enter? Was it 1? Was it 2? Was it 3? Was it 4? In the case of 1, we're going to set the print this variable to winter, which is a snowman. In the case of 2, we're going to set it to the little umbrella, which is the spring icon. And notice these break statements. You need to add those to the switch. Otherwise, the execution is going to fall through and execute every single one of these. And basically, whatever they choose, it would always end up being the fall leaves because it'll just, hit every one of these on the way down. And then this is the one that sticks because it's last. So you need those break statements. That's the switch. And now we're home free. We're going to use a while loop to fill the screen with whatever emoji was chosen for whatever season. And again, with the while loop, you really have to be mindful of those 3 essentials. Before you do anything, you have to create the loop counter. Now I'm using J here, little j, just a little throwaway name there. That's fine. So my loop counter is J. I'm starting J at 1. Okay, and then I'm looping while, here's our second essential here, the loop condition, while J is less than or equal to 5,000. Going to get 5,000 emojis out of this. We're going to print the emoji. Okay. And yeah, don't forget your increment. Okay. We need J to be growing and growing incrementally by 1 with every iteration of the loop, because eventually we want it to reach 5,001, and that is when the loop will end. So you need that increment. That's essential number 3. So yeah, that's it.